Hey guys, this is the beginning of our newest project. We're going to build a cycle cart. We got a sheet of 3/4 birch plywood and 1/8 inch, 5mm, whatever. Anyhow, that's what we're going to build the body out of. We're going to work this thing as backward as possible, as always. So I'll bring you through step by step, kind of one episode at a time here. But this will be the beginning. So stay tuned and let's see how it develops. I've never actually seen a cycle cart. I've in person seen them online, of course. I've even watched a couple of YouTube videos. And well, there you go. So we're gonna take a stab at it. Stay posted. Okay, round two. Got all the pieces cut out for the body, the frame. That's one sheet, about 90% of one sheet of 3/4 inch birch plywood. There's the plan we're working off of there, kids. Anyhow, thought you'd appreciate that. I'll bring you back when we're looking more together. Hey guys, all done with the wood frame for the body. Pretty happy with how it turned out. I said all 3/4 inch birch plywood. I still have to radius those knee holes. That's how tight it is in the cockpit. That's the difference between me getting in and out and not. Drop the floor 3 inches between the frame rails. Heel board there for the pedals. Integral seat. This is just the form well, it's not the form, it's the spine, I guess. I'm gonna sculpt a foam tail. So I'll just fill that in with foam and get happy with the bandsaw. Everything is screwed together with 2-inch screws and Gorilla Glue at all the joints. This side will be cut out. The motor is actually going to partially stick through there. We'll show you more of that later. I use cedar for that first row. It's strong and it's light. More importantly, we had some around here and it smells really good when you cut it. So about ready to start on the body here, guys. 1/8 inch plywood should be exciting. I'll bring you back when we've got more of that to look at.